Hello students, welcome to class of 9th subject English. Today we are going to do chapter 3, The Little Girl. Students, you remember recently we had celebrated Father's Day, that was on 21st of June, and I'm sure you had a great time with your parents and especially your father. We always have a special respect, a special corner in our heart for our father. As you've seen how they really work hard to keep the family happy and comfortable. And I'm sure every family is happy to see the father along when they are involved with the children. Fathers generally behave in a different manner in every family. Some spare more time with the kids. Some may not have the time because they are so engrossed or they are so tired. So it doesn't mean that they don't care if they are not able to find time, yet they have all the love towards the family. They love the kids, they love the children. You might find your some many times the father scolding or giving stern instructions time to time, and always giving scoldings for whatever you do, they find you doing wrong. And at times we really feel upset, but towards the end of the day I'm sure you feel that yes, our father did the right thing for us because they really care us and because they really want us to learn better things in this world. This is what we find in our story today, The Little Girl. The little girl, the character played by Kezia, she's very nice, very soft hearted, very obedient, very sensitive. She's so small that she finds her father so huge, so big that she really gets scared. And especially whenever she is near her father, she finds him always with his huge voice shouting or scolding or giving stern instructions to her. At the same time, she finds her neighborhood, Mr. McDonald, who has 5 children, and she finds him playing around with his kids. So she wonders that all the fathers are not the same. Some spend time and enjoy with the family, and some, like her father, doesn't spend time with her. But towards the end, you will find that her opinion changes and she's happy with the way her father is. So that is what we're going to see in the story, that what happened really, that after after a few things that is few events that happen at in her house, she finds that her father is as good as also Mr. McDonald in his family. She finds that her father also has, not only he's big, but he has a big heart too, who really cares her. So let us see what really happens. There are few words that we are going to discuss. The genre of this story, obviously this is a fiction story, nicely composed, written by the author Catherine Mansfield. The characters: Kezia, the little girl, her father, her mother, and her grandmother. Then there is the McDonald's family at a neighborhood, and there's a cook in a house, Alice. Few words are given to you in the text, so I'm not going to repeat them here. Other words are stutter, means to stammer. Whenever you're not able to speak properly, you get stuck up with the words, then that is called as stammering or stuttering. Especially it becomes out of your nervousness, or it is sometimes by birth. Butcher. Butcher is generally a person who kills the animals for meat, so a killer. So here the butcher is referred to a person who is a killer. Now we'll come to the summary. The little girl is the story of Kezia, who's scared of her father, as I told you. Now, what happened one day was her grandmother always used to encourage her to get closer to her father. So she asked her to make a nice gift on her father's birthday. So Kezia made a pin cushion. She stitched three sides of the cushion. She was given a cloth, a nice cloth to make the cushion. Now she had to fill up the cushion. So she started looking for something that she could use to fill up her cushion. Some scrap material. Scrap means wasted material, which is not required, a waste material. And this way she entered her mother's room, and on the bed table, the table next to the bed, she found some sheets, some papers lying, and she thought that they must be not required. So she tore them up and she filled up in the cushion, and tucked up, she stitched up the fourth side, and this way she made the cushion. But later on, her father, when he was looking for those sheets, he was very upset, and everyone in the house was like in a panic, searching for those sheets because they were very important for her father. He had written a speech to be given for the Port Authority. So finally, when it comes out, her mother finds out that did you come to the room and take the sheets? And then finally, they realize that she has torn up the papers to make the cushion, and she gets a punishment also. Her father takes the ruler and he hits on her hands. And this way, she never forgets the way her father had taken such a stern action on what she had done, though it was only because she wanted to give a nice gift for her father's birthday. This way she compares her father with McDonald's family, and she feels that, oh, maybe all fathers are not the same. But one day when her mother was ill and she was taken to the hospital, her grandmother also had to stay along with her mother in the hospital, and she had to be alone at home with the cook Alice and her father, who had come during the end of the day tired. So Alice warned her not to scream in the night, as Kezia said that she was often scared of seeing those nightmares. Nightmares means bad dreams, some scary dreams you see, they're called nightmares. So Kezia was already scared that what if this nightmare comes again, and how would she bear this in the night. But it came, and she saw in her dream, in that nightmare, that a butcher comes who's a killer. So he has a knife and a rope, and he's smiling, and it's very dreadful and scary. And she screams out and she asks for Granny. That time she finds her father coming near her, and he very nicely hugs her and takes her to his room, and finally he comforts her, and this way she is able to sleep very well. That time she finds that, oh, my father really cares me, and he's so nice and he has a big heart. So this is what we understand, that later on Alice realizes that her father is also good enough. Not only Mr. McDonald, who's always spending time with the family, but though Kezia's father is not able to spare time, but there is in his corner of his heart love for Kezia, and he really cares her. I hope you enjoyed this story. You will further read the text pages and see the other videos that can help you in understanding. And you will copy this summary in your notebook. And later on, you will also solve the worksheet given to you in your notebook. Thank you.